Hey, what's going on YouTube? What I want to show you today is an application that's going to give you free movies and TV shows, one click, doesn't buffer, plays well, and it has all the newest movies, all the newest content. It's absolutely better than Netflix, and in my opinion, even beats Kodi sometimes in some instances because it's very easy to use, very easy to navigate. No one talks about it. It's a little bit tricky to install and set up a little bit. It needs a media player, but I'm going to show you how to do all that. And not only will I show you this application, how to do it and get it, to get all the free movies and TV shows, also you'll have access to my unlinked store, which offers 60 other applications for free live television, movies and TV shows. Since we're going to be installing this app, right in that store, there's many other applications as well that you can feel free to download. So let's get this going. Let me show you my favorite ultimate application that I love for free movies and TV shows, okay? So if you have your Firestick and you're connected to the internet and you're set up like this, the first thing I gotta always tell people is you wanna enable developer options. And how do you do that to install third-party apps? Well, very simple. You're gonna go to the gear icon right here, and you're going to go to My Fire TV or My Device. This app works on all Fire Sticks, phones, and all kinds of devices, but I'm doing this on the Fire Stick. Click on My Fire TV, and once you click in there, you see I have developer options. You may not have developer options, but don't worry, I'll show you how to get that. Simply click on About, and you'll see your device name. So you're going to click on that device name 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need, you're already a developer, okay? But if you're not a developer, it will say now you are a developer. Once you do that, you click one back and you see that you have developer options enabled now. Click one more back to get to this menu and click one more back to go to your main Fire Stick menu. Now we successfully enabled developer options to install third-party apps. Now what you want to do, you want to go to the search or find button here, find, and then go to search, click into this box, and you want to search for an application called Downloader. You can use the Alexa remote, the blue button on my remote, or you can just type it in by the keyboard here, virtual keyboard. Downloader. So I search for Downloader. Okay. This will come up, orange, white icon. Click on that icon. Click on the download button. What's that going to do is going to install the downloader application, and then I'll show you the next steps. So once it installs this, do not press the open button, just simply press the done button once the downloader application installs, okay? So here we go, installed, right? So we're just going to hit home. We're not going to press the open app because there's a couple of things that we have to do. So the first thing we want to do is go to gear icon, followed by My Fire TV or My Device. Once there, developer options. Click inside developer options, and you'll see install unknown apps. Click inside of install unknown apps, and make sure you turn the downloader to the on position, just like that. Okay. Once you finish doing that, simply hit the home button. Okay, and you'll see that you have downloader here. And there's one more thing we have to do to get more movies, more content, and to get those blocked links to work in our movie applications, and also to get all the updates in the unlinked application. Simply just go to find, go to search, and it's a very vital step. Click into search, and you want to search, you want to type this one in. So very short word, one word, no spaces. We're going to search for IP vanish. So let's just search for IP vanish, just like that. Once we find IP vanish, just like that, click on IP vanish. What's that going to do? It's going to come up with this icon. It's a white green icon that looks like this. You want to click on that icon. It's going to come up with a screen like this. 94,000 reviews, 4-star. Click the download button and download the IP vanish VPN. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you how to set it up for unlinked, how to set it up to stay completely anonymous. One account will get you covered on iPads, iPhones, Google Streamer, NVIDIA Shields, Android boxes, Fire Sticks, you name it. One account covers all streaming devices in your household. And you can install this great movie and TV show app I'm going to show you. And it works great with running a VPN, keeps you anonymous, and make sure that you're streaming all this content anonymous, and it gives you more content like live sports, TV shows, and full access to my unlinked application. I'll explain everything in detail. Once IPVanish downloads, you'll get this notification. Just simply press the open button. Now it's going to present with an email and password to log in. Now you can get your own email and password set up with your own email. So by scanning this barcode with your phone or going to this bit.ly link here, also in the pinned comment description. Now, for transparency reasons, it does cost a few dollars a month. It's a latte at Starbucks, a cup of coffee at Starbucks. That's how much it costs, not more than that. A few dollars through my affiliate links here. You'll go to that landing page and you can pause the video to take care of that. And on that landing page, you'll choose your package and you'll get 70% off by using my links right here. So make sure you use my links. Pause the video to take care of it. Once you're on that landing page, choose your package, sign up with your email. They'll send you an email confirmation, confirm your email account, and then log in with your email and password that you set up to create the account. I'm going to log into mine and I'll show you the further steps to get into Unlinked and to unlock access to over 60 applications using IPVanish through the Unlinked store and getting the best application for free movies and TV shows, and show you how to exactly set up my favorite application, okay? So I'm going to log into mine and I'll show you the next step. Pause the video if you need to take care of it and then follow along to the next step. Okay, once you log in with this information to your own account, this is the setup you need to do. Go to the gear icon in IPVanish, say connect on Android startup. This is going to start up the VPN every time your device starts up. Click back. Very important. This is going to get you the most links. Go to location and go to countries, and in countries, scroll all the way to the United States. Okay. Once you're there, simply click on the United States, say favorite United States. It's going to put a yellow star on it. Click on it again and say connect to United States. Okay. This will come up. You want to press the OK button on that screen. Now what's going to happen, the screen's going to flicker, and now we can proceed to the next step. We're fully protected, fully safe. Take advantage of that discount. It's a latte at Starbucks, a few dollars a month. Going to give you so much more access to these apps, and it's going to make this application work great with blocked content and blocked links. It's going to unlock everything. Okay, that's available right here. Okay, let's press the home button, and now we can proceed by starting the downloader application with our VPN running. Open up downloader. And this is very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to press the OK button, click one up, highlight this yellow field right here, and just putting in the URL box, put in unlinked.link. So unlinked.link is what you want to put in. Just like that. Unlinked.link, put that in and press that go button right there. What's going to happen is going to say connecting, and you can see I can browse left to right, up and down until I see this little Android button, green Android button, download APK Android right here. You want to highlight over it with the red little cursor, click on it. What's going to happen now, it's going to download the Unlinked application. So this is going to pop up and it's going to ask me to install. Okay, so I'm going to install, but I'm not going to open it up. I'm going to press the done button, okay? Press the done button. Don't press the open button. Now press the delete button, and that's going to delete the installation file. Press the home button once you're done that. Okay, you'll see that Unlinked is now installed. One final step, go to the gear icon and go to My Fire TV or My Device. You can see we're now in Install Unknown Apps, but you can click back. You can click back to get to the developer options if you're going from the root menu. So My Fire TV, My Device, then developer options, install unknown apps, and you see Unlinked is here. You want to turn that switch on in the install unknown apps. Once you do that, simply just press back, and back to get to the main Firestick menu. And now we can start up our Unlinked, okay? Once we start it up, all you want to do is click the new library and put in the following code. Click into this blinking cursor and put in Firestick, just like that, all lowercase. Let's put that in Firestick. Okay, all lowercase Firestick. And when you do that lowercase Firestick, you simply want to press the next button here. Okay, that's going to throw you into my story. Now you can read the welcome message. It's blurred out for YouTube purposes, but it won't be blurred out on your TV when you're doing this. This will give you the best applications you want to get and the best apps you want to download for your Fire Stick. On some Fire Sticks, you'll have an enter button where you can just press enter to enter my store. But right now, you don't see an enter button, which is a little bug, but don't worry. Simply, when you're done looking at the welcome screen, just press back on your Fire Stick to get out of the unlink and simply just restart it after the welcome message. So I'm going to click on it again, and it's going to throw you right into my store. You'll see new tech apps and the month that we're doing the video. You'll just look for this little folder and new tech apps. Click on that, and that's going to take you to all the categories. So the first category you're going to be here in is you're going to see a bunch of video players, okay? All files actually here. And it's going to start with video players. So you want to scroll down to our category, okay? So the category we're going to scroll down to is players. So you can scroll up and down, left to right, to go to all the categories and get free movie and live TV shows. Not only this application, but many other ones. I have over 60. You can also get live TV, sports apps, whatever you like, up and down, left to right to get all those applications. So we're going to be getting Drama Player first for our application. So click on Drama Player. Icon looks like this. You're going to press the download button. What's going to happen, Drama Player is going to download because this application requires Drama Player, and I got the updated version in my store that works perfectly. Okay. Once you download, press install on Drama Player. Okay. And then this will install Drama Player. And what's going to happen is the screen should be like this. And then once Drama Player installs, it should go back. Okay. Now, we're going to click one below and we're going to go to Movies and TV Show Apps. And we're going to scroll to our application, which is HDO Box. So let's click on HDO Box. HDO Box, press the download button on the HDO Box application. And then it's going to ask us to install it as well. So we're just going to press Install App. This is my favorite application, HDO Box. One-click movies and TV shows, okay? And it's going to install HDO Box. And that's pretty much it. And we got the Drama Player and HDO Box. Once you do that, press the home button, and you'll notice that HDO Box will appear here all together with Drama Player, okay? So let's click on My Apps and Games. You can see HDO Box is there and Drama Player is there. You simply would just start those applications, and then you would play a movie and TV shows for YouTube purposes. I can't show you, and this will work great. It's a one-click movie app, works really good, and you can go back to the unlinked store at any time. Let me show you here. Through this entire process, I did have my VPN on. That's going to keep you protected, going to keep you safe. Make sure you take advantage of that 70% off through my links. It's less than a cup of coffee per month. It's going to give you more links to movies and TV shows in HDO Box. It's going to give you full access to unlink to more applications. Works on unlimited devices in your household. It's just going to give you so much more. If you haven't done it yet, please scan this barcode or go to this bit.ly link right here in the pinned comment or description. It's going to give you 70% off. It's less than a latte at Starbucks. Unlimited devices, works great, and I'm going to give you all the access to my unlinked store for updates of new applications and more other applications that you wish to download. But HDO Box works great with Drama Player, incredible application. Let me know what you think. Now, before I go and get out of here, let me know if that worked, if it's working for you, and also drop a comment below. I might be putting a PIN code in my store. I haven't done it yet, but I might be putting a 4-digit PIN code for people to access my unlinked store. And if I do that, I'll reply with the 4-digit code in the comments below. So make sure you leave a comment. I'll reply to all comments. I don't want any donations or money. I just want you to leave a comment. What's your favorite sports team? What city and town are you representing? What's your favorite food? Any of those. What's your name? What do you like to do? What's your favorite card game? What's your favorite sports team? Whatever you want to leave, just leave a comment. I'll reply to it, or just say hi and I'll reply to it with the pin lock if I do that. Also, follow me on the X account. I'm going to post a lot of updates there and stuff like that. Follow me on the X for updates and things. And that's pretty much it. That's how you install HDO Box with Drama Player. Let me know what you think. And great experience out of this application for movies and TV shows. Works great. One click, high definition movies and TV shows. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Have a wonderful day.